Hello darlings, I am Cassandra George Sturgis. Welcome to my channel, Authentic Beauty. Today I'm going to pick a card and we're going to see what the message is. This is from the daily read. I'm just going to personally go in here and see if there is a message for someone today. Oh, wow. The message for today is from Jungle Beauty Goddess Sinai. And she says, live as if the only time you will ever have is now. This is such a beautiful card to pick for today. So basically, if you knew that the only time you had was this very moment, how would you spend this time? What friends would you spend more time with? Who would you call? Would you call your grandmother, your auntie? Would you spend more time with your children? Would you eat more chocolate cake? Go see the movie that you keep telling yourself you're going to see? Would you go to Paris? What would you do if you were to live as if the only time you would ever have is now? What changes would you make? I think that one of the things we do as human beings, we have a tendency to take our life and our time for granted. We think we're going to be here, forever, according to an Ameve. Of course, you have forever, but not in this particular body with these friends and this family. So right now, anybody who's listened to this message, I am going to tell you the message from Jungle Beauty Goddess Sinai is live as if the only time you will ever have is now. Do something amazing. Touch somebody's life. Do something that you really love and have always wanted to do. Don't put it off, because you deserve happiness. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.